Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have tools and a chosen lock. Now start by marking and boring. First, measure and mark the lock height from the floor, transfer the backset at 2-3/8 or 2-3/4, then clamp a scrap block behind the door to prevent tear out. Use the 1/2 or specified spade slash for snare bit to create pilot holes for the latch and cylinder. Once the pilot is centered, enlarge to the lock's diameter and test fit the cylinder, so alignment is exact before chisel. Once the face hole is established, you work the mortise for the latch plate. You should chisel shallow, controlled passes until the plate sits flush. This prevents binding and keeps the door structurally sound. Next, insert the latch and cycle it to confirm smooth travel. If it binds, widen the bolt slot incrementally. Then feed the cylinder through the face hole, secure with temporary screws, and verify the thumb turn or key rotates freely. Make small adjustments so the lock operates without forcing. You finish by installing the strike plate and final fasteners. With the door closed, extend the bolt and mark the jam center, then chisel a shallow pocket so the strike sits flush. Use the longer screws provided to anchor into framing for strength. Once secured, tighten all screws and test the lock through full cycles, lock and unlock from both sides. If the bolt scrapes, adjust the strike laterally or deepen the pocket. Troubleshooting tip: if it sticks, loosen screws. Realign strike, then red-iron.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.